In this video, I'm going to show you how to try to recover your shortcuts on Snapchat. So first, let's go to Snapchat. And then let's tap on our profile at the top left. And then tap on the settings icon at the top right. And then scroll down until you reach support. And then just tap on I need help. And then just tap on contact us. And we want to select my Snapchat isn't working. Select other. And then just scroll down until you reach need help with something else, and then just tap yes. And then just tap my issue is not listed. And here you're gonna be given a ticket. Fill in the details that you want, and you just have to tell them that you used to have shortcuts and you want that feature back. And after filling all the details in, send it and wait for their reply. So it could take up to 48 business hours. And that is how you recover your shortcuts on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.